Welcome back, Biker Business Crew. Today we're diving into 7 best alternatives for Honda Cruiser motorcycles in 2025, showcasing exciting options that combine power, style, and innovation for every kind of rider. The Suzuki M109R Boss stands out as a bold muscle cruiser designed for riders who want power, performance, and unmistakable style. Its massive 1783cc V-twin engine is a key highlight, delivering an impressive 110 horsepower. This power comes on early, with plenty of torque just above idle. If you're the kind of rider who loves the thrill of quick acceleration, this bike won't disappoint. The M109R doesn't hold back in its design either. The blacked-out Sport Special version features a deep glass sparkle black finish that's enhanced by chrome accents. The bold design continues with slash-cut mufflers, drag-style handlebars, and a sculpted fuel tank that emphasizes its muscular look. The wide 240mm rear tire adds to the aggressive stance while ensuring better stability and grip on the road. Beyond its looks, the M109R incorporates technology usually found in sports bikes. The inverted front forks and radial-mounted brakes, borrowed from Suzuki's GSX-R series, delivers smooth handling and reliable stopping power. The shaft drive ensures low maintenance performance while minimizing torque reaction. The bike's low seat height and well-padded saddle provide comfort for long rides, making it a versatile cruiser for city streets or highways. Its advanced electronic fuel injection system and lightweight pistons make the engine smooth and efficient, while features like dual spark plugs and a dry sump lubrication system enhance reliability. With an option to swap the rear seat for a sporty solo seat cowl, you can personalize the bike to fit your style. If you're seeking a Honda Cruiser alternative with a perfect mix of power, style, and technology, the Suzuki M109R Boss is a strong contender. The Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 is all about combining raw power and classic cruiser aesthetics. Its massive 2000cc V-twin engine ensures it can effortlessly handle long stretches of open road or laid-back city cruising. This engine delivers torque so strong that shifting almost becomes optional. It just keeps pulling smoothly, no matter the gear. The power feels controlled and accessible, making it a great choice for riders who want something easy to handle despite its size. Kawasaki designed it to resemble a mix of Harley-Davidson Softail and touring models while still adding its own personality. The gas tank-mounted speedometer is one of those classic touches, while the overall silhouette gives the bike a vintage yet polished look. The design makes you feel like you're riding something timeless, but the modern engineering ensures it performs just as well as it looks. What really sets this bike apart is the customizable comfort. With Kawasaki's ErgoFit system, you can adjust the seat, handlebars, and foot pegs to match your height and riding preference. Whether you're tall, short, or somewhere in between, you can fine-tune the bike to fit you perfectly. The suspension, equipped with a 7-position preload adjuster, absorbs bumps with ease, ensuring smooth rides even on rough roads. If you're looking for a cruiser that balances old-school charm with modern convenience, the Vulcan 2000 delivers. It offers a unique mix of style and performance that makes it a fantastic alternative to Honda's cruiser lineup. The Suzuki C109R Boulevard brings a different vibe to the cruiser world. This bike blends classic cruiser looks with powerful performance, featuring an 1800cc V-twin engine that delivers smooth and reliable torque. What's interesting about the C109R is how it pulls inspiration from various cruiser designs without directly copying anyone's style. The fly screen has a Harley-Davidson FLH-inspired vibe, while the foot controls, passenger floorboards, and sissy bar showcase Japanese attention to detail. Even the exposed radiator feels deliberate, emphasizing function over form while adding a rugged edge to its appearance. The shaft drive provides low-maintenance performance, while the fuel injection system ensures consistent power delivery across all RPMs. Its wide handlebars and well-padded seat contribute to a relaxed riding posture, so long rides are no problem. The passenger area is thoughtfully designed, with fold-out floorboards that mimic the rider's controls for added comfort. It's a solid choice for riders who want a bold Honda alternative with its own distinct character. When it comes to raw performance, the 2025 Yamaha VMAX 1700 takes the crown. This bike doesn't play by the usual cruiser rules. Instead, it combines a futuristic design with sport bike-level power, thanks to its 1679cc V4 engine. Producing approximately 200 horsepower, the VMAX is a machine that thrives on adrenaline. It's fast, powerful, and built for riders who want to feel the rush of speed every time they hit the road. The design is a blend of sharp lines and muscular curves. Dual headlamps and a sculpted fuel tank create an aggressive profile that turns heads wherever you go. The VMAX feels more like a street predator than a laid-back cruiser, but it still offers plenty of comfort. Its ergonomic seating and adjustable suspension make it just as enjoyable for long rides as it is for quick sprints. Yamaha didn't hold back when it came to technology. This bike is packed with features like traction control, advanced ABS, and multiple riding modes, ensuring you can handle all that power with confidence. The fully digital instrument cluster keeps you informed with real-time data like speed, gear position, and more. For riders who love staying connected, Bluetooth and navigation options add a modern touch. Despite its incredible power, the VMAX doesn't forget about safety or handling. The frame is designed for optimal weight distribution, while adjustable suspension adapts to different road conditions. Whether you're cruising through city streets or carving up mountain roads, the VMAX feels responsive and in control. Yamaha has also emphasized customization with this model. From carbon fiber trims to upgraded seats, riders can personalize their VMAX to reflect their own style. It's a bike that caters to enthusiasts who want a high-performance machine with plenty of personality. If you're after a Honda alternative that prioritizes speed and innovation, the VMAX 1700 is hard to beat. The Kawasaki Z900 is a naked sports bike that merges daily practicality with thrilling performance, making it a versatile choice for almost any type of rider. While not a traditional cruiser in looks, its usability and comfort make it a worthy alternative for those considering Honda cruisers. The 948cc inline-4 engine is the heart of this machine, providing smooth, responsive power with plenty of torque for both city rides and high-speed highway runs. What's new in 2025? Kawasaki has fine-tuned the Z900's engine, giving it a bit more torque while improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. But the real story lies in the added features that make this bike even more convenient for daily use. A turn-by-turn navigation system saves you the trouble of fumbling with a phone mount, while electronic cruise control transforms long-distance riding into a relaxed experience. For spirited riders, the Z900 offers a quick shifter for seamless up and down gear changes, and IMU-powered ABS ensures safety without sacrificing performance. The sharp styling of the Z900, with its Tsugami-inspired design, continues to turn heads, and Kawasaki's attention to detail shines through. Whether you're commuting to work, heading out on a weekend tour, or tackling winding roads, this bike is up for the task. At an MSRP of $9,999, the Z900 delivers a lot of value, offering features usually found on more expensive motorcycles. If you want a bike that combines the versatility of a cruiser with the performance of a sport bike, the Kawasaki Z900 is a fantastic option. Its balance of practicality, affordability, and excitement makes it a standout choice in 2025. The Yamaha YZF R3 is a sport bike that makes motorcycling accessible and fun for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned rider looking for something light and nimble, the 321cc parallel twin engine provides enough punch to make every ride enjoyable, while its smooth power delivery makes it easy to handle. Yamaha has kept the 2025 model affordable at $5,499, making it one of the best value motorcycles for its class. For 2025, Yamaha has introduced the subtle but impactful updates to the R3. The redesigned bodywork now resembles its larger siblings, the R1 and R1M, giving it a sharper, more aggressive look. The narrower seat and updated tail section make the bike even more comfortable, especially for riders with shorter inseams. The addition of LED lighting enhances visibility, while a semi-digital instrument cluster now includes Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to link their smartphones for notifications and bike data. But it's not just about the looks or tech. The R3 is practical too, with a new slipper clutch that smoothens downshifts and reduces rear wheel hop. It's a bike that's perfect for learning, commuting, or even weekend twisties. It's light, agile, and easy to control, which makes it an excellent alternative to cruisers for those who want a bit more sporty flair in their ride. When it comes to classic cruisers, the Harley-Davidson Iron 883 has always been a standout. For 2025, Harley has refined this iconic model without losing the essence of what makes it so beloved. The 883cc Evolution V-twin engine continues to power this machine, delivering 50 horsepower and 70 nanometers of torque. It's not the fastest bike, but it's all about smooth, laid-back cruising and that signature Harley rumble. The design stays true to its roots, with the classic peanut tank and low-slung bobber-style seat. Harley has added new paint options like matte black, vintage bronze, and metallic gray, ensuring you'll find one that matches your style. The blackout treatment on the engine, exhaust, and handlebars gives it a modern yet stealthy vibe, while the new LED lighting improves visibility without sacrificing its retro aesthetic. In terms of comfort and rideability, the Iron 883 doesn't disappoint. The mid-mounted foot controls and drag-style handlebars put you in an upright, relaxed posture that's perfect for both city cruising and longer rides. With a seat height of 760 millimeters, it's approachable for shorter riders, while the low center of gravity enhances stability. Dual-channel ABS is standard, and you can opt for traction control for added safety. The 2025 Iron 883 also gets a semi-digital instruments cluster and a USB charging port for added convenience. These updates keep it relevant in the modern age while preserving its timeless appeal. Priced at roughly $15,000, it's a premium offering, but for Harley enthusiasts, it's more than just a bike. It's a lifestyle statement. With its iconic styling, modern updates, and legendary Harley-Davidson badge, the Iron 883 is a top-tier choice for riders seeking a cruiser that delivers classic vibes with modern touches. With these incredible alternatives, you've got plenty of options to choose from beyond Honda's cruiser lineup. These were your 7 best alternatives for Honda Cruiser motorcycles in 2025.